All right, good morning, guys. I just wanted to walk you through how you are going to use your number line today, okay? So today you're going to be watching a video. It's a very short 3-minute video about how to multiply fractions using a number line, okay? And so once you're done, I'm going to want you to show me what you've learned, okay? So first, you're going to click on this document, and that's going to pull something up that looks like this, okay? So here are your problems. I have done the first one for you as an example, okay? I also want you to see that right here is the number line, okay? And once you click on that link, it's going to take you to an online place where you can look at the number line, okay? And so once you get there, it looks something like this. What you're going to need to do first is switch the number line to fractions, okay? Because we are dealing with fractions, and depending on the fraction that you're multiplying, you're going to put it into that size pieces. So, for example, this first one, 5/9 times 5, I see right here that they're 9th size pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and select 9th. I'm going to keep this as the spacing. You can also choose this and this, but realize it just spaces it out more, okay? So then I'm done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw, okay? So right down here is the pencil to draw, and you are going to go ahead and draw your equation, okay? So at the top, I'm going to put 5/9 times 5 equals. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to figure out. Times 5 equals. Okay, and if you need the eraser, like I just made a mark, you can go to the eraser. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and make those 5/9 jumps. Always start at 0. Something I would recommend is counting, okay, and then making a dot and then making the jump. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/9. So I'm going to put my first dot here. Make the jump. Okay, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So make my dot and then make the jump. All right, and I'm going to do that how many times? 5, right? 5 times. So again, we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 5/9 jump. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I have that 5/9 times 5 equals 2 7/9. At the bottom, I also want you to show me how you could multiply this and get the improper fraction. Okay, so I'm going to do 5/9 times 5/1. Okay, because I know that when I have a whole number, I can put it over 1 to make it a fraction. So then I'm going to multiply across the top and multiply across the bottom. 5 times 5 and 9 times 1. 5 times 5 is 25, and 9 times 1 is 9. Okay, so that's my improper fraction. Okay, so 25/9 is the same as 2 7/9. Okay, so once you have all of this, so you have your equation at the top, and what you figured out it equals. Okay, we saw that it equals 2 7/9. And you have your multiplication at the bottom to give you the improper fraction, 25/9. You're going to go ahead and save it. Okay, and so at the bottom, there's this little button. Okay, you're going to click that, and then you're going to click Save Image. Okay, and it's going to save it for you. Okay, once it's saved, So once the image is saved, you can pull back up your document. Okay, you can pull back up your document, and under the correct one, so under the one that you just did, you are going to insert that picture. Okay, and since I'm on my iPad, it's going to look a little bit different, but I can still show you what button to click. So first we're going to look for Word. Okay. So we're going to just pretend that this is your document, okay? So here's your document. To put the picture into the document, you're going to click Insert, Photo, okay? And since this is my iPad, it looks a little bit different. But once you click Insert Photo, it's going to ask where you want to insert that photo from. It's going to be on your, I'm going to write this down for you. It's going to be on your desktop. It could have also saved to your downloads, or it could have saved to your documents. But the best bet is to check desktop first. Okay, so check that one first, and then check downloads if you can't see it there, okay? And so you're going to click whichever one it's saved to, and your image is going to be something called My Timeline. Okay, so you're going to look for something that says My Timeline. Once you have that, go ahead and pull it up, and that will be your picture, okay, that you just did. All right, if you have any questions, you can go ahead and message me. All right, I will be available on Schoology today. Great job, guys.